Vue or React, the right choice for front-end developers? This question has been asked for years, and it's still relevant today. Every year, new developers enter the front-end world and face the same decision. Some people say React is the only serious choice. Others swear Vue is cleaner and more enjoyable. In this video, we're not here to start a framework war. No fanboy opinions. Just real-world experience, practical trade-offs, and honest insights. Vue or React, the right choice for front-end developers? This question has been asked for years, and it's still relevant today. Every year, new developers enter the front-end world and face the same decision. Some people say React is the only serious choice. Others swear Vue is cleaner and more enjoyable. In this video, we're not here to start a framework war. No fanboy opinions. Just real-world experience, practical trade-offs, and honest insights. React is not a full framework, it's a UI library. Its core idea is simple. UI is a function of state. You get maximum flexibility, but you must make many decisions yourself. State management, structure, and tooling. Vue is a progressive framework. It gives you a clear structure from the start, but still allows flexibility when you need it. A simple analogy. React is Lego blocks. Vue is a well-designed building kit with instructions. Vue feels very natural, especially for beginners. Templates look like normal HTML. Logic and styling are clearly separated. This makes it easier to read, debug, and understand what's happening. React uses JSX, which mixes JavaScript and markup together. This can feel powerful, but also overwhelming at first. Many beginners struggle not because React is bad, but because JSX hides too much complexity too early. So when it comes to learning speed, Vue usually feels more friendly at the beginning. As applications grow, structure becomes critical. This is where React really shines. React's flexibility allows teams to design custom architectures for very large and complex systems. Big companies love this level of control. Vue is more opinionated. If you follow its recommended patterns, your codebase stays clean and consistent. For medium-sized projects, this is a huge advantage. For massive systems, React often scales more naturally. Performance is one of the most misunderstood topics. Vue and React are both extremely fast. In most real-world applications, users will never notice a difference. What actually affects performance is how you design your app. State updates, rendering logic, lazy loading, and caching. A poorly written React app will be slow. A poorly written Vue app will also be slow. The framework doesn't save you from bad decisions. Developer skill matters far more. React has a massive ecosystem. There are libraries, tools, and resources for almost everything. It dominates the global job market and is heavily used by big tech companies. Vue has a smaller but very passionate ecosystem. It's especially popular in startups and strong in Asia and parts of Europe. From a career perspective, React opens more doors globally, but Vue jobs are often less competitive and more enjoyable. Junior developers need clarity. They need to understand what the code is doing and why things work the way they do. Vue helps juniors focus on fundamentals instead of fighting configuration and abstraction. Senior developers think differently. They care about scalability, architecture, and long-term maintenance. React gives seniors the freedom to design systems exactly the way they want. The better framework depends on your experience level. Choose Vue if you are new to front-end development, working on small to medium projects, or want fast results with clear structure. Choose React if you are building large applications, working with bigger teams, or aiming for long-term global career opportunities. There is no wrong choice. Only the wrong choice for your current situation. There is no best framework. Only the right tool for the right context. If you master one deeply, learning the other becomes much easier. Frameworks change. Trends change. But strong fundamentals and the right mindset are what truly make a great front-end developer. And that's it for this comparison. If this video helped you see Vue and React more clearly, don't forget to like and subscribe for more front-end insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.